Once upon a time, 2 years ago, my family and I went on a little trip to a place called South Korea. Now there, we tasted many of delicious foods, but one caught my attention. It was these rice triangles that are called KimBap. But wait, there's a catch. It is not made in the United States. It is made only not in the United States. So this has become my quest, just going on Amazon, find how I can make them, and I got a kit. That's basically it. Anyways, today we were going to be making the KimBap. So for anyone who doesn't know, which is probably a lot of you, KimBap is the filling inside of a triangle of rice that's wrapped in seaweed, and it's delicious, and you can choose the filling. And today I'm not going to be doing the traditional fillings, but this is just how I like them. I already made my rice. But first, fillings. You can tune a piano, but you can't tune a salad. Wait, anyways, I made tuna salad off camera because I thought that would be boring. And basically it's just tuna from a can, mayo, mustard, about 3 of my eyelashes, egg salad. So I'm just gonna make some egg salad really quick. Be good. Now that my egg is in here, I'm just gonna put a little bit of mayo in. There you go, egg salad. What a third filling. I just whipped up some pork with some honey mustard. Looks pretty good. And for the fourth filling, I was thinking, this is just a little bit boring. Let's spice it up a little bit. Make it a lot more American. Okay, I'm not proud of it, but I have an extra. Yay! Oh my god, that's heavy. Anyways, if you hadn't gotten it yet, we're gonna make peanut butter and jelly filling. And I don't know how the peanut butter and jelly is gonna go with the seaweed. That sounds disgusting. Wait till the end to see me try it because that's what I'm gonna do. Fun. Anyways. Kinda looks disgusting. Now that this vomit's up, I'm gonna start. I'm a little scared. I'm gonna get the kit. I got the kit. So the whole thing is, it keeps the seaweed crunchy if you do it in the wrapper.
Hey guys, I'm editing and this made no sense. What I was trying to say is that the plastic helps keep the seaweed crunchy instead of getting soggy with the rice. Anyways.
So that's the whole thing. So I'm going to do it in the wrapper so we can keep it. So all the fillings are made and it's time to start with the actual making. I'm very nervous, very excited, a bunch of different feelings. It may just be the tuna I had. So you put all the ingredients in this and I'll show you how. And then after you do that, you close it, smush it down, put it on, blah, blah, blah. I'll show you. Not a very good explainer. Don't worry. I'm going to get a spoon and get the rice that's cooled. Very important. My plate of rice. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a layer into this. And I made a lot of rice because, yeah. And the first filling I'm going to do is the tuna. And you basically kind of just want to make a little hole. Why am I talking like you people are actually going to do this? Like, probably not, but anyways. So I'm making a little, like, divot almost. I'm going to take my tuna fish and put just a little bit in, just like that. And then I'm going to put more rice on. The satisfying part is take this and you smush it down. It comes out perfect. So then you just put it on into the middle like that. If you want to come out, that would be much appreciated. Okay, so then, oh, she's crooked. Anyways, you put it on, you roll it underneath, and then you fold these two over, and you take a sticker. Boom! Oh, not boom, don't worry. Wait a second. I have to restart. I have to try that again. Kind of hard to master, maybe just a little bit of a klutz. Okay, that's pretty cute. So now that I made one of those, I'll probably make another because I have a good amount. I made 2. That's so stupid. Anyways, now I'm gonna make the egg salad. It actually came out pretty good. It was pretty easy to make, which is very nice. So it's basically the same thing. And I just realized that with the peanut butter and jelly, this is gonna have egg and tuna and pork flavors. But then I'm gonna put peanut butter and jelly in that. That's gonna be delicious, you know? I love egg salad. As much as I hate using eggs, I do love eggs. This is a really cool system because you just put it in and then you can push on this. Now I'm just gonna make the pork really quick. And now, the interesting one, the peanut butter and jelly. They're all done. First, the tuna. Ew, no, that's gross. What you do, it has the instructions. What you do is you take this and you pull it. And then you pull the tabs. The tuna's good. I give it a 15 out of 12. Next, I think I did the egg salad. Now I'm gonna try it. That's really good. I might eat all of this one. The egg was so good. And then the pork. Pretty good. No, it's really good. I think I just love this. You can put a boiled sock in here. I love it. That was really good. I'm still chewing. Okay, the peanut butter and jelly. Scared for the peanut butter and jelly. I'm scared because it's seaweed. It's seaweed and peanut butter and jelly. What the heck? Why did I think that would be good? I'm gonna take a big old bite. I'm conflicted. Why is this good? What the heck? Pretty good, actually. You can put a dirty shoe, a chopped up dirty shoe into this, and I will be like, wow, is that chicken? Conclusion, they're all really good. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for commenting, and subscribing. Have a good rest of your day, or have a good night whenever you're watching this, and yeah.